Hi guys, today's assignment is to start phase 1 of decorating your sketchbook. And right here I have chosen, I think it's prompt A, where you draw overlapping circles by tracing circular objects. So I started this circle with the fine point Sharpie and I traced a paint can, okay? The next circle I'm going to trace, I think it's going to be the same size again, but I am going to alternate markers as instructed in the prompt, and I'm going to use the other marker. I'm going to keep on overlapping circles of different sizes. I think the next circle will be a different size. And I'm going to alternate markers each time I draw a new circle. Try to visually check to make sure that your pen has actually drawn on the paper before you remove whatever you're tracing, okay? Okay, be very careful as instructed that your lines meet neatly, okay, where they stop and start, okay? And when you overlap, you're going to be creating shapes. Try not to create shapes that are smaller than a golf ball. Now, as you overlap multiple times, you will see, for example, you will see that now this shape is going to be smaller. And I would say that dividing this size shape in half would still be okay. It's still about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit smaller, okay? Oh, I gotta alternate my marker. I'm not gonna do my entire sketchbook for this video demo. I wanted to use this to trace so that you could kind of see how carefully you need to use the marker, and that sometimes you do have to lift the marker and start again depending on how you're positioning the thing that you're tracing, because not everybody has a template for circles at home, okay? All right, so that's not ideal, but it's still very, very acceptable, okay? And again, if we were using a template, a circle template at school, it might be a little easier. So, you know, we're doing our best, and our best is fabulous. I'm going to keep going after I shut the video off, and I'm going to put a few more circles in. This is the other object that I've found. I'm feeling like I may not trace that. It might be a little too small inside there, okay? But it is an example of another circle in my studio, okay? Look around, use drinking glasses and things like that, all right? All of these shapes later we're going to be doing things with, and I know that this might be similar to an assignment that you did last year with Miss Van Moy, but there will be some changes as well for this assignment, okay? All right, the other thing I want to show you in this video is prompt B, okay? Prompt B is when you're using straight lines. You're going to draw no more than 7 overlapping straight lines. Okay, you're going to alternate your markers, just like you did with the other prompt. You don't have to use a ruler if you don't have one. You can use anything to trace a straight line that you have in your house. It could be another book, like this. See how this has rounded corners? Just make sure that that's not the part that you're going to be using to trace. In fact, I'm going to use this. No, that has stitching. Okay. And take your time. Okay, I've created another shape by my overlapping lines. That shape is roughly no smaller than a golf ball, okay? I wouldn't go any smaller than this kind of shape, okay? Again, I'm not going to continue for this video. You see where I'm going with this, and that is really it for today, okay? Either choose a prompt A with the circles or prompt B with the lines, okay? Create your overlapping shapes and be done until tomorrow. Great. Bye.